Okay, Intino, let's look at how we will set it. Yen share send a best setting. Inti your codes are your friend P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. Nya make no eno ewa until you press and hold the set button. You see them here P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. Wow, now samba P0. Nti P0 near den, and no now be selected. So what the idea no ye heating and I say cooling. Well, na me the incubator, me per se a control heater no. Nti me mefa H. What you say? Now P1 no. I know your difference between the upper temperature and the lower temperature. Nti emphasis me incubator no me per se temperature no ba low to 37.5 na heater na start. Na e drew 37.8 na heater na stop. Nti eno sa no 37.8 minus 37.5 is equal to 0.3. Nti me P1 no be 0.3. Mutiasi. Na sesiano P2 temperature high alarm. Nti wo set sa temperature na ebema number no temperature no call too high e do sa number no be blinky na che say e ma alarm say high. Nti for incubator no me pese call 38.6 and above. Nti say this is my high alarm. Oh, okay. Now low alarm so me pese call below 37.2. Into do 37.2 born in terms say a low alarm. Temperature correction P4 into no your dear calibration. Usually we turn for fra with the manage 0.0. But say a thought they be now with temperature no won't trust in no na would the P4 no asset no. Ebia temperature no actually say 50 degrees, but we won't him say 50 degrees until would the P4 no best set no. Sesi ano P5 a delay. A to de bia a drew temperature now was set na a drew sa temperature no pe say immediately a kati heater no na say entren kakrans and a kati heater no. Ntino eno ye P5 but me no me per se e drew sa temperature no pa na kate won and I back down to the low temperature na pa na ba me per se a delay. There are other ways other applications we use delay na ebeboa. And the last one P6 you dey select whether you want degrees Celsius, the unit of the temperature, degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. USA 400 use degrees Fahrenheit, but Ghana no you use degrees Celsius most of the time. Nti currently no say a degree Celsius chiramu ube blue light be wa show it to us. Blue light be what I see. And no nature say you are using Fahrenheit, degrees Fahrenheit. Now so we use degrees Celsius light no ember. Until let's see how we'll change degrees. We'll change it to degrees Celsius. So ube mia set no on sabe siswa where now we use now the up and down a movie. Until me the up because P6 me person me change me me set answer na ma change until me per degree Celsius. What you say? Until say no when we say echo, so the numbers are now back to normal degree Celsius. Well, okay, now so we are done with the P6. This is used to select the degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay, so number 5. Okay, me starting from top. Until me person me use as a heater to control the heater. Until press and hold the sets. About P0 you say, do you want to change it? Yes, you press set. Then you use up or down to select. I want H as heating, so you press set. That means I'm done with the P0. Okay, now P1, me per se P1 we is 0.3. So you press and hold the set. When you remove, you press up. I want so press set. Oh, if you are not fast, it will go back. Okay, so let me hold on. So you press and hold set, then you press up, then you press set. Now it will allow you to change. So I want 0.3 temperature difference, 0.3. Okay, so when you are done, you leave it, you press set. That means you are done. So I'm done with the P. Yeah, now P2 is the high temperature. So press and hold set. When it comes, you take it to P3. Okay, sorry, P2. I want it 38.6. So 38.6, 38.6, 38.6, 38.6. Oh, the numbers are not clear on my camera. 38.6. Okay, we are not at 30. Okay, sorry about that. Until you see, no, set P3 until you press and hold. When it comes, you remove your finger, you press up. P3. Okay, now you press set. It will allow you to change. Then now you bring it up to, I want 37.2. 37.2. So this is the temperature that it will come, and then it will show me that my temperature is, oh, okay. So this is the maximum you can get. Okay, so I'll take it to be 33.2. Okay, now the P4 is the correction. Okay, we'll leave it at 0.2. So I'm going to, okay, so have you seen what's happening? We set it to this, so the room temperature is now 28. So it's telling you that it's low. Okay, this LLL is telling you that the temperature is low. This is the set temperature. Okay, this is the set temperature. This is the temperature at which you want the heater to go off. So that's 37.8. okay, that's this one. So I'm going to set the set temperature. You press once, it will be blinking, then you increase it, 37.8. okay, so this is the set temperature I want. All right, now this is just telling you that your temperature is low. Okay, because we set it to 33.2, so it means the room temperature is lower than 33.2. okay, but for the purpose of the training, I'll bring it down to, bring P3 down to 20. Okay, press and hold, up. Okay, then press set. Then now you bring it down to 20.0. okay, so now our low temperature is 20.0. okay, low temperature is 20.0. This red light means your heater should be working by now. Okay, so this is my heater now. So it tells me that this is the temperature I've set. Okay, this is the temperature I want. Now this one you have is lower than this, so your heater has to work so that this number will rise to this. When it gets to this, your bulb will go off. Okay, all right, so the last thing, let's look at P5. So you press and hold, then up. Okay, P5 is 0. okay, so we'll keep it that way. All right, let me see what other things are in P5. So press set. Okay, so 1 2 3, so it's in minutes. So if you want any delay, is fine. If not, put it on 0. So that means no delays. Now let me see if I can get my temperature to rise to 37.8. remember I need something hot. Remember we said we want the heater to go off at 37.8. so let's see if the heater will go off at 37.8. Okay, so I'm trying to get my temperature to rise. So those doing incubators, small ones, no, and 30 eggs and below, you can use this bulb. Okay, it's not so hot like that. Good. Go up. Go. I don't want to do that. Yes. Good. All right, so it goes off at 37.8. now when it comes down to 37.5, the heater should come on. So let's see. So I'm cooling it. I'm trying to cool it. 37.5 exactly. Okay, so this is how it works. It's so simple to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like for more videos. Bye.